Solution to the practice problem proposed at the end of the user input tutorial in this same playlist. The goal is to edit your paper, rock, scissors code from the if-else practice problem to take in user input for the two players' moves and take in user input asking the user if they would like to play a game of paper, rock, scissors. You should continue to play the game as long as the user enters Y for wanting to play the game. They should play one round before being asked if they would like to play the game again. So here we have paper, rock, scissors. Now I'm just going to copy and paste. And I'm going to say paper, rock, scissors updated. Double click to make that pane go away. So here is my original game. I'm going to delete this and create scanner scan equals new scanner system.in. And remember, I need to do Alt Enter to put the import for the scanner. And now I want to add scanner scan as a parameter instead of player 1, player 2. So now I want to say system.out.println or print enter player 1's move. And say string player 1 equals scan.next. And system.out.print enter player 2's move. String player 2 equals scan.next. Okay. So now I can do determine winner scan. So, oh, I should have done run. I'm going to edit configurations. I'm going to show you how to do configurations from scratch now. I'm going to duplicate this one. And instead of calling it user exercises, I'm going to call it rock, paper, scissors, updated. And that's the name here. And that's it. So player 1's move is rock. Player 2's move is paper. Oh, you know what? I forgot to print out the answer. So, player 2 wins. Paper covers rock. Cool. Let's try again. Scissors, rock. Player 2 wins. Rock beats scissors. Great. Okay, so now that we've established that it works, at least for a couple of them, now I want to say system.out. I'm going to say string answer. I'm going to say system dot just string answer. And now I'm going to say system.out.print. Would you like to play again? Yes. No. And answer is equal to scan.next. I'm going to say while answer dot equals y. I'm going to print out determine winner again. And I'm going to prompt the same way again. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and make the y a class constant. So final private static string yes equals y. I have an error. I am missing the semicolon. Okay, so player one's move, paper, rock. Would I like to play again? Yes. Scissors, paper. Player one wins. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a new line at the beginning of both of these just to make it a little bit more spaced out. And I forgot the in on again. So let's try that again. Scissors, paper. Yes, I'd like to play again. Paper, rock, no. And my program ends when I say no. So it works. Great. And that's it. I hope that was helpful.